Hello and welcome to the new Power BI tutorial video, and in this video I will show you how you can specify the visual filter within Power BI, that is basically to filter a specific visualization or customize the specific visualization by reducing the number of categories or the number of values that the visualization is showing. And before I move ahead and show you, just a quick information that this sheet, which has all of my previously uploaded videos, like around 107 videos, is present in the description so that you can easily search any video, or you can keep it as handy with yourself in case you are looking for a specific solution. And I will keep on maintaining this, so you can keep it as a quick cheat sheet or something like quick tutorial sheet with you. Alright, so let me go to the Power BI here. So what do I have is a simple table. So if I select this table, what it has is the subcategory, which is nothing but a very simple visualization I have created using the matrix like this, which is a table. And what I have taken is the product subcategory, and it is the sales and profit, and it is the sales superstore data. So very easily available to, for this type of tutorials, and I'll put the link in the description as well. Okay, so what is going on here? Well, we want to filter. Let's say we have a scenario where we have a dashboard. Let's say we have a pretty big dashboard which has a lot of different visualization, but only for this particular visualization we want to show accessories and appliances, or let's say accessories and envelopes, or anything, binders, bookcases, and storage. So any combination we want, because probably that's what the management or the end user wanted every time whenever he or she is accessing the visualization. Well, in scenario like that, you can specify the visual filters. Obviously you can write some code and everything, but I want to show you very simple visualization, or very simple technique to customize this visualization. Well, what you need to do is come over here in the filters, and when this visualization is selected, make sure this is selected, otherwise you won't get this screen, right? For example, here I have unchecked this, so now the screen is changed, as you can see. But as soon as I go and select this visualization, the screen is back to what I was showing originally. So what's going on here is filter on this visual is the profit filter, sales filter, and subcategory filter. And in this subcategory, let's say we want to show art and labels. So we will say subcategory, we will expand this, we will keep the basic filtering. And over here, we will select whatever category we want. So we will select art and we will select envelopes. So that way our visualization will be changed, right? So if I come here, now let's say I create maybe one other visualization. I'll just select this chart, which is a clustered chart. And let me select sales, a simple measure. And let me select the same subcategory. Now if you see, all of these subcategories are present here. Subcategory, whether it is the art, so art is here. It is sorted by highest to lowest value, so art is here. And similarly there will be envelopes, like we are showing it over here. So what I basically want to communicate is that whatever we have filtered over here is not basically being filtered over here. And that's the basic purpose of the visual level filters. In visual level filters, we can customize a specific visualization that is of our need and keep the rest of the other visualization intact. That's one of the common things that even I have seen, where in a dashboard or in an entire report, the user just want a custom chart or a custom visualization showing only specific value that is relevant. Rest other he or she is okay, let's say, and they want to utilize it differently. Similarly, it is very useful, let's say, even for comparison, that you just show a specific categories in one chart and the rest of the other categories or all the other categories in different chart, then you can do the comparison as well as to what's going on. But the main idea is that any visualization, if you want to customize, then you can access this visual level filter. You need to make sure the visualization is selected, and based on whatever is present in the visualization will be coming as a filter. So like subcategory is here, sales is here, and the profit filter is here. So you will get these filters and you will get done. So that's mainly I wanted to show in this video. In the next video, I want to show you the visualization, or I want to show you the filter actually, which will filter everything on the visualization. So with that, let's meet in the next video now.